Hello everyone, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you're having a great Memorial Day weekend. Today I'm going to be making some vegan kebabs for the grill. And I have prepped some things so that I can get ready to put the skewers together and add my vegetables and things on them. So what I did was I took these corn on the cobs. They came about the shorter ones in the packages. I put them in the microwave just to get the frozen, get them unfrozen, and then I sliced them in 3 to make these nice little size corn on the cob slices, and they're going to go on one of these beautiful thick skewers here. I also have some Beyond Sausage plant-based links. This is the Brat. As you can see here, it says 40% less saturated fat than the leading brand of pork sausages. So if you're looking for an alternative and you have another barbecue coming on this summer or so, you can try Beyond Sausage and see what you like it. They do have the Italian sausage, which I really love too. They have a nice little kind of spicy little tang to them. Not too spicy, but I like that flavor as well. But today we're going with Brat. 4 come in a pack here. It tells you various ways you can prepare them. As you see here, the grill, the skillet, and then it says keep refrigerated and use within 3 days of opening and do not refreeze. So it says preheat your grill about 500, 520 degrees Fahrenheit, lightly brush sausage with oil and grill for 9 to 10 minutes until sausages have turned brown. So what I'm gonna do is do some kebabs with that. Now I do have some peppers here. I normally wanted to go with some green peppers, but since these were in the house, I wanted to go ahead and use them so they wouldn't go bad. I do have an onion as well. I'm gonna do a little marinade, quick marinade with some extra virgin olive oil, some soy sauce, mix that rigorously together and add some of this artichoke bruschetta. I really like this with crackers and things like that, but I'm gonna add some of this for some extra depth of flavor. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do to add your various vegetables to the skewers is I'm going to take the plant-based Beyond Meat Brat and I'm going to just slice them in really meaty chunks, just like this. And since these were thawed out in the store, so that's fine. So then I'm going to take my first skewer and I'm going to start with, I guess I'll start with a piece of corn. And what I did is I took a knife and cut a slit, X on each side so that they can nice and easily go through the skewer here. And then I'm going to take an onion and I'm going to take a pepper. Then I'm going to take a Beyond Meat here. And you're just going to be continuing to build your kebabs, just like that. And then I'll end it with an onion to kind of lock it in, just like that. Then I'm going to go on this side. And I'm going to add a pepper, like that. Another Beyond Meat here. Some onion. There we go. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna add some more peppers, another Brat. So what I'm doing is every skewer I'm using up 1 whole Beyond pepper. Okay, so there we have our first one. So I have to have some room so I can get them off the grill, but that's what you should see, something like that. Or, okay, now I'm gonna make a little marinade to brush on my kebabs. So I'm gonna use 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce. Now soy sauce, this is all for your tasting pleasure. As you can see, I passed up, so I just use 1 tablespoon of that. And most likely I'll stir it until I see what the consistency is. And then I'll add another one because these kebabs need a lot of flavor. And I'll do that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my caramaya, which I'm just gonna do because there's hardly any left. I've been eating this up, guys. So this consists of artichokes, garlic, and it's really tasty with crackers and things like that. So that's gonna be added. And then the last thing I have my spices. I like to use this Badaya. It has garlic and all different herbs and spices in it. So I like to use this, but it's so tasty. So I put it in a little seasoning thing here. Pop that in. And then I mix that really, really good, okay? Now, like I said, you can create your own marinade out of your tasting pleasure. You can add maple syrup to this to give it a nice little sweetness if you want. It's really up to you, but you see the consistency of it? It's beautiful. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this on my kebabs. So now I'm out here at the grill and I have my kebabs here. I have my marinade, and what I'm gonna do is start placing these on the grill. Hear that sizzle? So you can be a plant-based eater. That's okay. You can be a plant-based eater and still have a really nice barbecue at any time of the year. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my marinade. A nice little brush here, and I'm gonna start brushing this all over the vegetables so they get a nice little seasoning too. Now the brat is already pretty flavorful, but I want to make sure that I get some good flavor. Oh, and there's one of my onion came off, but that's okay. Brush it on, and then when it's time to flip them, you can do the other side as well. And there we have it. And now we'll just let these cook. Alrighty, so you see the nice grill marks on the one side, and now all I'm doing is letting that cook through on the second side. I also added a Beyond Meat hamburger patty as well, veggie patty there from Beyond Meat, and added some of my marinade to that one as well. All right, y'all, looks like the char is where it should be, and the Beyond Meat brat does not take long to cook at all. I would say about 7 to 9 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your charcoals and how hot you have everything. But as you can see, the nice caramelized vegetables, the corn has a nice caramelization on them from the sweetness in the corn, and the Beyond Meat plant-based brat is nice and golden brown, just the way I like it. So I'm gonna take this off the grill here, place it with the other ones here, and it's time to enjoy a nice meal on this Memorial Day. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and each other. God bless. Bye-bye.